I gotta go in there where you see Bruno there, and I gotta pull all those sticks out, okay? And I gotta bring them all up and stack them up out the way, because of course, guys, this is the kick in the nuts, right? The kick in the nuts. Red Branch has never flooded before, ever, right? And it could have flooded any week at all, but this is the week where I have a camp. But look, nobody got hurt. I can't be too despondent about it. I built this myself. I can rebuild the bloody thing, can't I? Yes, I can, Wally. Yes, I can. Right. I know I have some neoprene gloves somewhere as well. I'm going to grab those and I'm going to start pulling this stuff out. But first, let's tour. I'm not going to go too far because that is the river is flowing out there, and I've no spray deck or anything. But we'll go for a little spin through the forest and see how we get on. Watch out, Bruno. Into me kayak in a pair of Wellingtons. No, don't you get in with me. So that's the vibe zone. As you can see, guys, look at the flow. There is an actual flow. I don't know how far I'll be able to get. Woo! So this is the stick here in front of me that I put in on Monday to see if it would come up. That's where the pond is. Bruno, no, come back. Bruno, come back. Guys, I'm actually sitting on the road right now. So you can see that my full vegetable garden was underwater yesterday. Bruno, here. Come in, Bruno. Look at how fast I'm traveling. Go on. That is a roll of membrane for my road, and that is worth over $300. I need that secured. But guys, thanks be to God for my ditches. No, Bruno, leave it. Bruno's trying to help me by pulling the sticks. My ditches caught so much stuff. Look. And this is all the stuff I need to pull up today. Good dog, Bruno. Are you helping? You helping? This is all the stuff I need to pull up today and get it up higher. And then I need to go over and sort out the circuit. Leave it. Come on, Bruno. We'll go back this way. Come on. Bruno, get out from the paddle. Come on, Bruno. You can feel the flow. Come on, Bruno. You can definitely feel the power in the water. You can feel it pushing you. I really hope I press record. Good boy. Bruno, don't run towards me. Look at the flow running through the forest, guys. See the flow running through the forest there? Leave it, you. Bruno, leave it. Bruno. Dog is having the time of his life. Guys, that is crazy. Well, now I can say it. I have kayaked through Red Branch, through the forest, in a pair of wellies. Big Al McGee would be. Oh, you got it, Bruno. Look at you, all proud of yourself because you pulled up the silver tray. excited. Do you want to see how to get out of a kayak and kag and trousers gracefully? Do you want to see it? Let's do it. as a sort of fat man. Always remember to take your glasses off, and you do not want to be claustrophobic. Ah! Son of a diddly. These are not waterproof anymore. And that's it. Now I can't see in.